I'm trying to build a conveyor belt automation system that mimics the manufacturing industry. Yeah, this is the conveyor belt system. That's the controller. This is the board where everything is going to sit. I'm going to update this video as I go carry on. Here we have the outputs. These are all the output. Though we have an actuator, solenoid actuator, that will push out metallic and other materials, in terms of for example, when a metallic product is found on the conveyor, one of these solenoid cylinder will push out to reject the metallic object on the conveyor belt. And all these are output lights, which is going to show when the piston is out. So we're going to for now I'm still on the design phase. I'm trying as much as possible to see which of the output I'm going to use to connect to the cylinders. Anyway, I will update this video. In the building phase, making out the layout is looking a little bit better. Now I want to do the wiring after doing the layout. Look at the sensor, one of the sensors, another one will go here, another one will go here. Hello guys. Yeah, I've been building this for about 3 days now. I finally finished it. This gave me a problem because I didn't know this was actually sinking. So I found this, and today I wasted so much time on getting to know the output. The lights were not coming on. None of these outputs were coming on, but now it's okay. And I just want to show you how it works. I'll switch it on with this green button. This is ESD. Okay, the ESD, I've not connected it yet, but I'll do so maybe when I have time. But for now, everything is working. If I switch this on, you see the controller coming on. Yeah, welcome all. I just want to show you how I've completed this conveyor training rig. Yeah, this is to show you how in manufacturing system the conveyor belt works, how good products are allowed to go through and bad products are rejected. Now you can see we have the conveyor system, which is one of the inputs, rather outputs. We have the light indicators for the conveyor. Then we have another output which is the piston. We have another output which is another piston. These pistons are shown, are indicated by when it comes on, the blue light shows, while the conveyor system, the amber light comes on. Now I'm going to press the green button. You can see the controller is off. I'm going to press the green button, the on and off switch. I've not labeled them, I just finished it, but I just want to show you. Once I press it, the controller starts coming on. Okay, it's booting up, and let's see. Now I'm going to show you the first input, which is the capacitive sensor that actuates the conveyor belt. Okay, once I put my hand, it starts moving. Okay, once I take off my hand, it stops. Now you have to program it in such a way that as you put a product is sensed, the conveyor belt should continue for a certain time. Then for the actuator, for the piston to reject, for example, we have a capacitive sensor and an inductive sensor. The inductive sensor detects metallic objects, while the capacitive sensor detects any other material. So now, if I put my hand, or let me use this screwdriver, you see the piston is pushed out. All right, you can see. At the same time, the light will come on. You see, the blue light came on. Then, if a metallic object is sensed, okay, the second piston and the blue light is going to come out. You see, now in all of this we have manual override. These two blue is for these two blue switches for this blue output. Unfortunately, I can see that the piston is slow to return. I'm going to look for another piston to buy to replace this, or I'm going to buy a two-way piston where it's going to be I think two-cylinder ones. Yeah, so now if I press button 1, watch, you see I've manually switched on that piston. I've overridden this has been the capacity sensor. I've override it. Okay, it's gone back. If I do for the second one, the inductive one, the same thing. This manual override, I take it out. Then I can also do the same for the conveyor. Okay, so in all of this, despite they are being controlled by this, we can actually also control it manually. So basically that is how it works. And this is the setup. So if you're interested in knowing how to do this, or you want to buy it, just contact me. Bye.